I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your American Airlines app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. In here, can you looking for American Airlines app here, or just click here on search. Then here add American Airlines app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you add, so you search for American Airlines. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking